Balling? Oh, good. The line, that's a great car. That's top of the line, Beamer. You can find one. You know where one at?
I got, yeah.
Where's that?
Hey, he thought he was going to swing
Hey,
on
where
me.
is it? Hey, wait, I know you got a proof for your boy. What's up?
Hey, we out here
Hey,
working
Rico,
hard
come
way.
with us, come with us,
The
Soto.
hard way.
Hey, what's going on, boy? It's your boy, Pimpin' TV.
Oh,
I thought she was recording me, nigga. I'm
no,
sorry.
I got you.
Hey,
Oh, shit.
no, I
Hey,
stepped
what's going on? It's your boy Pimpin' TV. When the pimp's in the crib, man, Louis Vuitton the third. We out here stunning jam though. We working and shit. Niggas got out here like top flight. We out here chilling in the sun, baby. If you ain't here, you missing out. We got Fly, Roy, Trend, Setter, my Jeezy, and then we back out here with my boy in the Lucerne, in the Beamer on jokes. Hey, we out here chilling. Hey, look, don't make fun of me. My shirt little as hell. This is a medium. This shit came straight off a Cabbage Patch. But I look good though. We out
I
here.
ain't going past the waist.
Hey, we out here. I can't raise my arms that high, but we good though. Hey, man, hey, let me get a beer, bro. What to do, bro? Hey, what's going on? Hey, see, I'm over killing zombies. This motherfucking dope. I know you know Pepe, bro. Hey, check it out, fam.
Yeah, you gonna go in the Jeep? Come on, follow Catfish. You right there.
There you go pop.
White shirt. I got my man. I think you the owner of the custom shop, right?
No, ain't none.
You the installer?
I did all this.
Okay, so my man installed everything in here. We finna see what it do, man. See if my top fly off in here, man. We gonna see if the cookie hat leaks.
PVC.
Yeah.
I hit you with something a little higher.
Okay. Yeah.
Straight motherfucking ball. Part two. Football.
Make sure y'all tune in to YouTube Primetime Day. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. Yeah. You wanna get on? Yeah, go on, pop your collar one time.
I'm Gator Barber, you feel me? The best barber in Michigan on the west side of Michigan. My boy out here.
Y'all see him, man? Yeah. Yes, sir. Y'all hear him, man. Make sure y'all tap into him. Yeah, I see him. Yeah, that's what's up, man. And y'all in something legendary, though. Yeah, y'all see him? Yes, sir.